Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make sure the universal remote lists DVD codes and that the DVD player is powered on. This matters because code entry only works with an active device. Once done, insert fresh batteries and place the remote within 1 to 3 meters of the DVD's IR receiver. Now, locate the remote setup or code search button and the manufacturer code list. Having both visible speeds the workflow and prevents random button presses from interrupting the learning process. Now you enter Setup. Press and hold the Remote Setup or Program button until the LED lights, which signals code entry mode. Once the light is steady, type the first DVD brand code from the list and then press the power button to see if the DVD responds. This verifies a correct match. If nothing happens, repeat with the next code or, alternatively, use the remote's code search feature, pressing power repeatedly as the remote cycles through codes, because some remotes store codes differently. Finish by saving the working code. Most remotes require pressing setup again or a save button so the code sticks, and then you should test essential controls like play, stop, and volume. If only some functions work, try another valid code or use the remote's key learning feature to map specific buttons, because many universals vary by feature set. If it still fails, make sure batteries are fresh, the IR path is clear, and that the remote actually supports your DVD model. Those checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.